Sinus&'s latest new innovance machine. Double feeder intelligent folder gluer with stitching, counting, and stacking all in one. It is consisted by upper and lower feeders, a liner, folding and gluing, stitching, output, auto counter, and stacker several sections. The feeder, upper and lower, is each driven by independent servo motor. More effective feeding, with air suction and intelligent auto tracking and adjustment functions. Ensure accurate and smooth feeding. The aligner adopts independent servo aligner device. Ensure accurate alignment for corrugated board. Optional, equipped with anti-mixing inspection system. To avoid wrong connecting A or B to sides, the folding and gluing section, upper and lower, each independent servo motor controlled. Equipped with grinder, secondary creasing, and adjustable folding parts. Intelligent auto tracking and adjustment multifunctions. Work with cold glue and hot melt glue spray systems. All together to ensure the finished carton's quality effectively. The stitching section. Independent servo control main transmission. Left and right both sides stitching are servo controlled. Finish upper and lower stitching at the same time. No limited side width. No cartons flipping like traditional machine. Can ensure glued cartons quality. Meanwhile, improve stitching efficiency. The output is independent servo motor controlled. Stable delivery, finished cartons to next section. Left and right both sides equipped with 2 sets independent adjusting press wheels, which further ensure finished cartons are well glued. The auto counter and stacker. Independent servo control main transmission. Base on products to set packing quantity and system. Then auto count and push each quantity to stacker. Also can connect with auto bundling and packing machine in the end. Realize double feeders, auto folding, gluing, stitching. With counting, stacking, bundling, and packing all in one integrated machine. Further reduce labor cost. Improve production efficiency. We Sinus&' is always adhering to provide global printing and packing industry with high-quality folder gluer integrated solutions. More folder gluer solutions. Please freely to contact with us.